this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing for you guys. I have some set of dumbbell. This time I have 3 kilo set of dumbbell. You can buy this one in Amazon, also in AliExpress. I bought this one in AliExpress in Spain. So the delivery was very fast, 2 or 3 days. And the price, you can buy 15 to 20 euros, 3 kilos a set of dumbbells. So without any further ado, let me cut the pack here. Wow. Inside we have a sticker. You see, this is the branding of this one. And the set of dumbbells, they have many things. You can see different type of dumbbell they have. You can read those. Beautiful color, red. You can see I have many dumbbells. 5 kilo, 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 3 kilo. This is a 3 kilo. So very good grip, good material, high quality rubberized grip. In this case, nothing plastic, no slippery. So you'll hold, it will not fall from your hand. Let's see the other one. Here we go. Lovely, the same way. Wow, beautiful. You see the branding here. And 3 kilo, lovely, 2 hands. If I put 6 kilos, lovely grip, guys. And this is hexagon shape. So if you leave some places, it will not rotate. So has better grip on this. So this is unboxing of a set of 3 kilos of dumbbell. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.